So I've just got a cylinder head here on the workbench and it's got bin valves in it, and I thought this would be an optimum time to show you how to remove valves and the keepers here using a simple DIY method. I did have the special tool for removing and decompressing the spring. It wasn't suitable for this head, so I am going to be using basic tools to remove and install these valves and keepers. So I've got a very straightforward setup here. It's set in the tool now. I just picked a deep socket that would fit, and then I picked a magnet that can sit through the middle of it. And as you can see there, the magnet pops through the middle of the socket, and we're going to be able to put weight on the left and the right side evenly down on the bench to be able to decompress that spring. This should be able to pick up the two centerpieces then, and we'll be able to remove that valve. I'm going to set this up. I'm going to show you in real time how easy this is to do. And just like that, you have it out. So it takes a few little presses at times. Sometimes they come out first go, but it's as easy as that to remove it. You now can take out the spring, you now can take out the valve, and that's the result you're looking for. I'm also going to show you, demonstrating with the bin valve here though, how you can put them back in again using the same method, and just putting a some type of item in place that will keep the keeper sitting together. So what I'll do is I'll set that up and I'll show you how you can press it back in using the exact same method. So I just cut out a simple bit of plastic. I have this set up now. I'm going to put that over it and then put the socket down on top. I'll take this off to show you a close-up. And as you can see, it's now seated back in position again. So just using a simple thing like a bit of plastic, anything like that, it just allows the keepers to move up but not move out of position, and then slide back in as soon as the pressure is let off again. So very simple and effective way of not only removing but installing valves, springs and keepers. And that is it. That's how you can easily remove and install those valves, those keepers, by using simple DIY methods. Really hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you found it useful and informative. If you did, please like, share, comment and subscribe. And I hope to see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.